Hey, Freddy, Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to your site. These 3 tips will actually help you get on that first page and really get more traction, help you outrank your competition and bring in those leads. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So while I get your site pulled up here, the first thing I'm actually going to run over is content. Google loves words, and being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page really puts you in a position so you can actually layer in all those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even found. Kind of give you an idea here. I put in San Diego window cleaning right inside of Google. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees ads. These ads actually started replacing the old school ads, which became really spammy. So these Google guarantees help block out some of the spammy phone calls. Still another form paid of advertisement, really. But they do get pretty pricey. Last year, people came up with ad blockers, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through. But right here in this little map section, you can see all the different businesses competing to get to the very top in this GMB or Google My Business listing. And to get in the very top right here, you're going to be dealing with all these citations. Citations are just simply online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top in this section right here in this listing. So for all that work that you did in this. Underneath the map section, we have all that organic traffic that happens right here on that first page of Google. And really to be found right here really comes down to making sure you have all that content. You're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just links from multiple different websites linking back to yours that just really pushes power to your site so you can get on that first page of Google so we can actually bring those leads in. Kind of give you an idea here, I took your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets people like me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So you're missing the referring domains, you're missing all the backlinks. Those backlinks is what's your how you're going to get that power on that first page of Google. Your keywords is how people are actually searching for you, and of course your traffic. So the one keyword that you actually found for is your name, is Pristine Window Cleaning right there. I did put one of your competitors, Blue Ocean, inside of Ahrefs as well. I'm going to do an overview real quick. 30 referring domains pushing back 112 backlinks, 212 keywords they're actually being found for, and they're getting 93 clicks to their site. You can actually come in and see where these are actually coming from. Blue Ocean Window Cleaning, they actually got a decent name for themselves. Window Washing San Diego, 150 clicks. 4th position, they're getting 11 clicks out of the 150. So really coming in, we can actually do a little bit more backlinks, better backlinks, and actually getting a little bit higher percentage from those 11 there. Window Cleaning San Diego, another 90 clicks. Window Cleaning Services San Diego, 100 clicks. San Diego Window Cleaning, another 40 clicks. Residential Window Cleaning San Diego, another 80 clicks. So really coming in, finding these keywords that's going to help you push more and more traffic to it. Of course, we got to do those backlinking so we can actually get on that first page to bring these leads in, of course, too. But anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to sit down, put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.